Download folder not showing on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the download folder not showing on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to solve the download folder not showing on Telegram, all you have to do is simply open up the Telegram application here. Then once you launch the Telegram app, you will see this type of interface right here, right? If you happen to download something but then that file is not showing inside the download folder, it's because you haven't saved it properly. So if there is a certain file and then you just tap the arrow button to download, that will not get saved to your device. To save it to your internal storage, no matter what kind of file it is, tap the three dots option next to that file, right? Then you'll find this option that says save to download. So only when you tap on the save to downloads option, that particular file will go inside the downloads folder of your file manager, and now you can go ahead and then locate it by opening up the file manager app, going to internal storage, going to downloads, going to Telegram, and now you'll find that file that you downloaded. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.